Mechanical fuel pump is a vital component in the fuel delivery system of internal combustion engines. Its primary function is to supply a constant flow of fuel from the fuel tank to the engine, ensuring proper combustion and optimal engine performance. Mechanical fuel pumps have been widely used in various automotive, marine, and industrial applications for many years, although they have largely been replaced by electric fuel pumps in modern vehicles. Nevertheless, understanding the working principles and significance of mechanical fuel pumps remains essential for comprehending the evolution of fuel delivery systems and appreciating their historical significance. So, how does a mechanical fuel pump actually work? Let's break it down. A mechanical fuel pump works using a reciprocating motion. That means back and forth movement, driven by the engine's camshaft. The core idea is simple. Convert rotary motion into a pumping action that pulls fuel from the tank and pushes it toward the engine. Let's break down the main components that make this happen. First up, the diaphragm. This is a flexible rubber sheet connected to a lever arm. When the camshaft rotates, it pushes the lever, pulling the diaphragm down and drawing fuel in. Then it moves back up, pushing fuel out. The actuating lever, often called the rocker arm, serves as a crucial intermediary within the diaphragm-type mechanical fuel pump. Driven by the eccentric lobe of the engine's rotating camshaft, this pivoting lever translates the camshaft's rotary motion into the necessary reciprocating linear motion to operate the diaphragm. Valves. Mechanical fuel pumps typically incorporate two valves. Inlet valve. The inlet valve, also known as the suction or intake valve, is responsible for drawing fuel from the fuel tank. When the diaphragm or lever arm moves in the intake stroke, the inlet valve opens, allowing fuel to enter the pump chamber. Outlet valve. The outlet valve, also known as the discharge valve, is responsible for delivering fuel to the engine. When the diaphragm or lever arm moves in the compression stroke, the outlet valve opens, allowing fuel to be pushed out of the pump chamber and into the fuel line leading to the engine. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how this vital component works. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive deep dives. Thanks for watching.